Hi everyone and welcome to my favourite time of the week. It's Achievement Assembly and we are going to start off by singing, and we are going to sing Shine Jesus Shine by Graham Kendrick.
Lord, the light of your love shining in the midst of your darkness, shining. Jesus, light of the world, shine upon us, set us free by the truth you now bring us. Shine on me, shine on me. Lord, I come to your awesome presence from the shadows to the radiance. By your blood I may enter your brightness. Search me, try me, consume all the darkness. Shine on me, shine Jesus, shine. Fill this land with the Father's glory. Blaze, Spirit, blaze. Set our hearts on fire. Flow, river, flow. Flood the nations with grace and mercy. Send forth your word, Lord, and let there be light. As we gaze on your kingly brightness, so our faces display your likeness. Never-changing from glory to glory, mirrored here, may our lives tell the story. Shine on me, shine Jesus, shine. Fill this land with the Father's glory. Blaze, Spirit, blaze. Set our hearts on fire. Flow, river, flow. Flood the nations with grace and mercy. Send forth the word, Lord, and let there be light. Shine, Jesus, shine. Fill this land with the Father's glory. Blaze, Spirit, blaze. Set our hearts on fire. Flow, river, flow. Flood the nations with grace and mercy. Send forth the word, Lord, and let there be light.
Let's get cracking with our first award this week. It's the Head Teachers Award, and the reasons for achieving this award are up on the screen now. Great to see that so many of the reasons for the awards being given this week for the children who have won are because of this new outstanding contribution to online learning. And that means a few things: attendance at sessions, your engagement and the way that you're contributing to those sessions, and the quality of that work that you're uploading after the session as well. Well done for all that you are doing and achieving. So let's move on to our winners, because in FS1 this week, well done to Marek. In FS2, well done to Tilly and to Frankie. In Year 1, well done to Flo and Lucy. And in Year 2, well done to Jacob and to Eric. In Year 3, it's a double family whammy today. Well done to Jack and well done to Danielle. In Year 4, Mr. Heath's class, congratulations Jan and Eliza. In Year 4, Mr. Withy's class, well done to Seth and to Toby. In Year 5, Alex and Matthew, well done this week. In Year 6G, well done to Agatha and to Natalia. And in Year 6S, well done to Julian and well done to Claudia. It could be you next week. If you want to know the reasons why they won the award, drop them a message, ask them, and it could be you. Affirmations make us feel so special because someone else is recognising our qualities. So just a reminder that this afternoon, 2 of you will be chosen to have an affirmation, and a DM will drop into your parents' Class Dojo inbox, and the class teacher will just celebrate the qualities that you show in your daily life. Keep it up and enjoy your affirmation. It's time for a mission, a Heart That Sees mission, and it's a chance for you to recognise the good that we see in this school in your immediate community at home. So recognise someone in your family, someone in your extended family, someone on your road, someone in your class who has shown one or more of the pink teas, who demonstrates the gospel values, and be specific about them, who shows care, friendship, patience, and give an example about how they've done it this week. There's an example for a certificate on Class Dojo for you and on the screen now, or you could go left field and create and complete your own bespoke certificate. We have loved seeing you guys sharing these with others and posting your certificates up to Class Dojo, your pupil profile. So please continue to do that. Recognise the heart that sees in someone and spread that holy rosary, loving heart, strong mind ethos in your family and friend community. There are a number of things going on next week. Remember Mrs. Deitch's live assembly at 1 o'clock on Monday. And we've got our usual programme of lessons, including computing, music, French. And 2 weeks ago, it was our cooking session with Mr. Miller. 2 weeks has gone by, so there's another session on Friday, and the ingredients are being released today. There's a bit of a challenge if you're in upper key stage 2, but I'll let Mr. Miller explain that at another time. The newsletter's coming out next Friday as well, and next week it's Child Mental Health Day. So we'll be sending some resources out and doing a little bit of work in school and at home on making sure that that issue is raised and that we're all supporting each other to be well. Let's finish today by saying the prayer to St. Ralph Sherwin. Most Holy Priest and Martyr, St. Ralph Sherwin, you gave your whole life freely and earnestly, forsaking all risk to yourself, seeking to do the Lord's will today rather than tomorrow. You died for love of Christ and his church, as a witness to bring others to the truth. Pray that we might follow the Lord more earnestly, with eyes fixed firmly on his Son, never putting off till tomorrow what can be done today. Obtain for us the grace to share your courage and conviction, to live lives transformed by love of Jesus, following his call wherever it may lead, sharing him with all whom we meet. Amen. Don't forget to be proud and post your selfie to show that you were recognised at this week's Achievement Assembly, and I look forward to celebrating some of you, some more, next week.